how to change store theme in Shopify. So first, go to Shopify and then click on online store here at the left side, and then click on themes. Alright, so once you're here, you can see your current theme. So my current theme is Horizon. Then you can see your theme library here as well. This is my theme library. So here you can see a lot of the themes of Shopify. So Shopify offers a lot of themes. So just choose one. And then here you can also visit the theme store if you're not satisfied with the popular free themes here as well. Alright, so once you're satisfied with one, you can just click on add to add that theme to Shopify. So let's say I'm going to add Tinker here, and then wait for it to be installed here. So installing takes a bit of time, just a few seconds, so we can wait, or I can just fast forward this. Okay, so now here it's just been added. So what you can do here is, let's say you're satisfied with this theme and you want to change your Horizon theme to Tinker. So you can just click on publish and then click on publish again. As you can see now, it says here, this will replace Horizon as your current theme. Alright, so click on publish and then it'll change to this theme. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.